Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I had this idea that's either awesome or will be insane. But I know that as an artist starting out, generally the hardest thing can be actually getting the art supplies, like affording the art supplies, and especially when you're doing a lot of trial and error and whatnot, it can sometimes get kind of expensive. So I thought I would see what I could do to maybe help offset that cost for some of you guys and try doing a monthly art supply box. So my plan is to do this around the first of every month. No guarantees. I figure I'd try it out for this time and see how it goes. And what this is going to be is a box from Amazon. So that way I can open it up into any countries that have Amazon that delivers to them. That way I don't have to worry really so much about shipping costs. So if you're in the UK, I will be going to Amazon UK and hand picking some awesome art supplies for you and then shipping them to you. If you're in the US, etc. And so you never know what it's going to be. It's just going to be a surprise, and it's just going to be art supplies, and that's that. So the way that this is made possible, by the way, guys, is I just want to make clear I'm by no means rich, not even close. Like rent every month, I freak out about how to pay it. You know what I mean? Especially living in Los Angeles, it's crazy expensive. But I do make income from your views on YouTube. So the more views I get, the more I'm able to do these giveaways. So please, please, please help share the channel and the videos far and wide. Let's get as many subscribers and views as we can. We're really close to 200,000. Let's get to that real quick, and then we can do a really cool giveaway at 200,000. But for now, let's try this. So go down into the description, and there will be a link to enter. And I'll pick the winner in about a week or so. And I'll announce it, and then I'll send you your art supply box. And would be really cool too if whoever the winner is, when you get it, you take a picture and send that in, or even do a little video. That would be really cool. And just make it into something really fun, and something that's, you know, just a fun game for everyone to participate in. And I thought I would just, you know, do my best to help you guys in your art journey. So I hope we get a lot of entries. I hope this is fun for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you think this is, you know, something you're interested in, and I'll see y'all next time.